In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 things you have to do if you want to fix your patellar tendonitis for the long run. Hey guys, Dr. G here. Thanks for watching this short video. In today's video, we're talking about the 3 things you must do if you want to get rid of your patellar tendonitis. So let's start with number 1. Number 1, you have to stop doing the activity that's causing the pain to begin with. And this is one of the toughest ones for athletes to do because they want to continue playing, they want to continue jumping, running, whatever the sport is. But research has shown you cannot treat your patellar tendonitis while you're playing your sport at the same time. So in order for you to fix your patellar tendonitis, you have to stop the activity that's causing the pain to begin with. Number 2 is that you have to start training your patellar tendon the right way. The most researched and most effective exercise to get the patellar tendon stronger and to heal the fibers in the patellar tendon is the Eccentric squat done on a 25-degree slant board. Now I've made a video about this and I'm going to put it up here on this link so that you can get to that one and start doing the exercises. And number 3, you have to attack the other contributing factors along the kinetic chain. You have to look below and above the knee joint. Below the knee joint, you want to look at the arches of the foot, you want to look at the mobility in the ankle, at the tightness in the calves, and above the knee joint, you want to look at the quads, the hamstrings, the glutes, and the mobility in your hip. Now, I've made videos for these contributing factors as well, so I'll put a link to one of them over here, and I'll put the rest in the comment section below. But doing those 3 things, number 1, stopping the activity, number 2, doing exercises that are specific to strengthening the patellar tendon, and number 3, fixing the contributing factors are what's going to give you the best results and for the long term. I hope the information in this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me your comments and questions down below. If you're looking for a way to treat patellar tendonitis the right way, where you take into account the whole kinetic chain, make sure you head over to my website, patellartendonitisfix.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.